Hey everybody, just mounting the GoPro on the new Forester and trying to turn off the Japanese music because everything's in Japanese and I don't read or write or talk Japanese. Just making sure everything's all good back there. There's a LED in the window because it doesn't have a wing on it, so it needs a third brake light. But I got a in-transit sheet for it, and I'm taking it to my buddy's shop, and we're going to put new tires on it, go over it, see what else it needs, get it ready for the out-of-province inspection. So far, this thing needs tires, a battery, possibly. I'm charging the one that came in it, but it was deader than a doornail. And what else does it need? A wash, brakes potentially, various light bulbs, you know, the normal stuff. I did clean the MAF in it, and it seems to be working a lot better. Running a lot better. So yeah, we're going to Raj's right now. Something's making noise back there and I have no idea. Oh, frick. I put the old oil in the box back there, so that's sliding around. So yeah, that's the new Forester. I'm going to go through this thing in depth with you and show you. I don't know if you can see this, but there's really bad carbon fiber wrap on the pillars right now. I'm going to go through the engine with a fine comb, replace all the fluids as I always do, get a new deck for it, polish the headlights. The headlights came out very nice in comparison to what they were like. You couldn't even see through them, they were that yellow and foggy. And yeah, it's going to be the daily. So I hope you guys stay tuned to the series and check out what's going to go on with the Foresters. There she is up on the hoist. Something cool I discovered is, looks like I got STI springs, so that's really cool, or some sort of lowering springs and some Japanese hay, so that's always nice to see. Then we got some new tires going on for the work wheels. Those will be balanced up and put back on the Forester, and then we're going to continue on ripping that beepy box out underneath the dash. So when you get a JDM, this is what you want to see. It is super clean down here. Valve cover gaskets look like they were done. The head gaskets look dry. Everything looks really, really good. I didn't know I was zoomed in there. Hopefully you guys got all that. But it looks really clean under here. Everything's in good shape. I'm using this video as my own reference too. We changed the diff fluid. Looks brand new under here. So perfect. All right, everyone. So the Forester has pretty much a clean bill of health. Raj went over it. It's really clean, in really good shape. I'll put some photos on the screen for you so you can check it out. Really clean underneath. The only thing we noticed is that the left-hand HID ballast is gone, so I ordered that right away. This is before the out of province, so hopefully it gets here soon and we can sign off on the out of province, because it's good to go. We took out the BB box underneath, and that ended up being a manual transmission. And this is not a manual, this is an automatic starter box or something like that. So that's gone. Raj is doing the alignment right now while I have my foot on the brake and holding the wheel straight, and has new tires on it, so you'll see that. And these videos will probably be after when I go through this thing, so you'll see the condition of the Forester all in one type of thing, the interior, outside, engine. So stay tuned for that. All right, everybody, it's time to introduce to you Black Widow. Yeah, what a cliche name, I know. But nonetheless, here she is in her glory. Brand new tires. HIDs look good. Oh, wait a second. No, they don't. One's burnt out. This one's burnt out because of the ballast. The ballast is expensive. One's on the way. This light's twitching out. Engine sounds phenomenal. I did an AMSOIL flush, engine flush, put some new oil in it, and she's running great. For some reason, that battery doesn't like to start on its own. The STI battery, this thing starts like a dream. So this is it. I'll throw the engine cover back on at some point. It's been a very long day. I've been trying to fetch MAFs for that thing, and it's finally running good. 3 MAFs later. Thanks, Subaru. So, here is the Black Widow. I'm gonna call her Black Widow. Now, of course, we got the beautiful custom JDM wire stuff everywhere. Raj and I ripped out the toll thing, and we ripped out a BP box back there, which is that guy right there, that thing. As I'm sure you heard when I did the video in his shop. Anyway, we don't know where this goes, but it's red and nice, and I like to click it. Because of all their whammy-dammy stuff back here, this doesn't close anymore, and I think it's because it's missing the tab up here to go into there. So I'm gonna get a magnet at some point and put that back. Other than that, it's fairly clean in here, guys. It's nice. It drives phenomenally. This is the back end. It's really clean back here. You got cup holders for days. I mean days. Look at this. Oh wait, there's more. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cup holders, people. I'm not lying. Look. Seven cup holders. You can't even fit 7 people in here. Literally 7 cup holders. What is going on with this world? We're supposed to be environmentally friendly, Subaru. Get with the times, man. Armrest. Not sure what this is, but it looks like maybe a small child or a pet tried to chew through it at some point. Got a seatbelt up there for a baby, I'm assuming. And we got the back end here, the best. So, yeah, for some reason they cheaped out on this version and didn't give me the subwoofer that the previous versions have. Jervins. I'm a little tired today. But yeah, this is her, guys. It's actually in really good shape. Oh yeah, I gotta show you another thing. So when it was at the shop, I ripped off this crappy wrap that's like material, like seat material that's wrapped in carbon fiber. But I took it off. Now it was on both ends. It's now off. I still gotta take off that. And yeah, so we ripped out a bunch of wires. As you've probably seen from the shop, I think I'm gonna include the shop footage on this video. There's the toll thingy. If you're from Japan, you need a toll thingy, hit me up. Got one for you. All my import papers came with a manual, which is sick. What's not sick is there's receipts in here for Kakimoto exhaust and aftermarket parts that they obviously took off the vehicle. I would have loved those guys. Really would. And of course that thing's got to go because it doesn't do anything for me except play Amazing Grace. And that I am not kidding. Listen to this. Oh, maybe not. It won't be Amazing Grace this time. Is this English? This is hip. Is this Usher? Nope, it's Japanese Usher. Wow. Okay, so no, none of that. So yeah, I gotta get a new Android deck. You got some cool things in here. Sunglasses, cool things that sunglasses probably can't even fit in there. I don't know what the heck that is. Yeah, guys, this is it. Got some shifters on the button, or got some button shifters on the steering wheel. We got some race red custom striping. That's just beautiful, and it's on the gauges too, unfortunately. But yeah, everything works good. Everything runs like it should. Sounds good, drives good, no shaky shake. Got some stick-on carbon fiber modifications down here, you know. That is, that's Black Widow, guys. I wanted to show you before I park it and try to find a battery for it. I just wanted to show you guys because I'm getting hounded about pictures and videos of the new cars that just arrived. So here you go, everybody. This is it. I honestly anticipated to get better, more videos, but I have been basically chasing my tail getting this and the other one running and driving good. So finally coming to an end. Some brand new Chinese tires there. These are three a tree. The tree's missing. Three a tree. It's just what was in stock, and they actually drive really nice. They are quiet. It's aligned as well. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for checking out the new Forester, which this one's gonna get a lot of love on the channel. If you like this sort of stuff, you know, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, peace everybody.